Happy Friday, everybody, and everybody knows Friday is my favourite day of the week. Anyway, I've just got a couple of things I want to show you, okay? We've got some more of those Arista switches. Those have just been resprayed. We've just got some, those are C1118Ps, I think. Oh look, we've got some more Arista switches there. So the Arista switches, they're going to a UK customer. They've just been masked. They've just come out of the spray shop. Those 1118Ps, they are actually going to a new customer of ours in Holland. So let's hope he likes those. And we've got the Daddy. This is actually going all the way to the Middle East, to Dubai. Who knew? Dubai have got all that money, yet they still got old Cisco on their network. So that is a WS-C 6513, first introduced in 2000. Now, is that an E? No, it's an original 6513, introduced in 2000, made end of life 2017, and we've got 2 more devices going out the door. This one is also going out to Dubai. Now that, oh look, Cisco refresh. Now I bought that about 5 or 6 years ago, and the team were like, "Oh, Dave, we need to get rid of those. We need to scrap those." And I'm glad I resisted. So what have we got here? Okay, so now this one actually does have Cisco branded. Now this was actually manufactured by well, actually, I think these were manufactured by a server manufacturer. It's not Dell, but anyway, these were originally branded by Sourcefire, and so that's a Firepower 8130 K9. Sourcefire introduced that in 2012. Then Cisco acquired Sourcefire in 2013. Went end of sale 2017, and yeah, so that's going out as a support spare. So somebody in Dubai has got these on their network. And anyway, last but by no means least, we have got a Nexus 3548X. However, the serial number on that pulls as a 3524X, and that is because whether you're so first of all, let me so this model was introduced 2013, made end of sale 2022. This is a low latency switch, and you can have these with Algo Boost licenses on them. Yeah, so basically the way it works is whether you ordered from Cisco 3548 or a 3524, you still were shipped to 3548. However, the 3524s only has half of these ports active, and if you want to enable the other 24 ports, if you order the 3524, you had to buy a license to enable it to become a 3548 10 gig SFP switch. Anyway, that's all for today. Have a lovely weekend. I will see you next week. Gotta go. Bye.